Hey there, Keller Williams. Daniel, the tech trainer, here today to talk about Lone Wolf. If you're watching this in spring of 2026, it is because you are converting over from DocuSign, and now you need a Lone Wolf instead. If you're watching it after, well, you don't know any better. You're only using Lone Wolf. Regardless, if we need to set up that account with you, or again, if you're converting over, we're going to start off here in Command. You're going to find your name up in the top right hand corner. And then we're going to click on Settings. Alright, once we go to Settings, we're going to scroll on down and we're going to find Lone Wolf. Over here on the side, there's Connect Account. It's thinking about it. Don't have an account? Sign up. We're going to throw in our KW email address if we can remember how to spell our names right, or whatever your email address is. Continue. Daniel. I mean, obviously type your name instead of my... You get the idea. United States, North Carolina, and let's make a crazy password here, and let's see here, blah blah blah, continue. Sure. You get a verification code. And there you go. So the account is created. We're almost there. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Learn more by selecting your experience, agent experience, or broker experience. I'm going to do the agent experience. So this is giving me a rundown on how to actually use the program. That would be nice, except it is super tiny, so I have no idea what's happening there. So I'm just going to go ahead and close that for now. I see everything is there and up and running though, so we're good. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and close that. And now, let's see here. Aha, Lone Wolf, and it is connected. Lone Wolf can also be referred to as Transact at times. So if you see Lone Wolf Transact, Lone Wolf, or just Transact, it's all the same thing. And as you see, it is here. Whenever I click that button, and let's go over to an opportunity real quick as well. Let's see. And I'm going to see if it's all right with the world. Yep. Sync with eSign provider, Lone Wolf Transact. So if you'd used DocuSign before, you see the process is identical as far as creating kind of like a room with Lone Wolf, the same as it was with DocuSign. So that is how you create your Lone Wolf account. That is how you have it integrated with Command immediately there. And keep tuned. Stay tuned. We're going to go over some of the more advanced features with Lone Wolf in the very near future here, including how to import your documents and all that fun stuff. So I hope that helps you out, and I look forward to helping y'all with Lone Wolf some more in the very near future. Take care.